vision-wise.
I mean, you still have, you just see the two bars, but you still have full vision. They're not wide enough to interrupt any vision.
No, they're only 1.25 inches.
Yeah.
So it looks awesome. I mean, it doesn't look like it get in the way of anything.
Mm-mm. So we got 2 inches of clearance between the light and that. Let's go riding.
Hey everyone, Brian and Jeff with Wrenches and Rides, and we have some DragonFire RacePace intrusion bars here for our Can-Am X3 behind us. These were ordered from Summit Racing and we ordered them in Can-Am Red.
Can-Am Orange.
That's Can-Am Red. That is orange.
Okay, this is red, this is orange.
It's true. These things are orange. It is Can-Am Red. With that said, they're going to kind of stand out here a little bit. This machine is coming together amazingly.
With all the different spots, the touches with the orange. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
It really makes it pop.
One of the things that really stood out to us when we received them is how they come in the package. These things were shipped in a box. There was no way that you could
3x4 by 1 foot?
Full of foam.
Yeah.
2, normally when we get some sort of item that clamps around a bar and is powder coated, first thing we get out is our taps.
Run the taps through, clean the threads out.
No need here. They had already run in all their bolts and they had already cleaned everything out. So it was perfect.
Yep.
You can't get any better than this. These are truly ready to install when you get them. That's worth a lot because if you don't have taps,
yeah, you're gonna have to go down and buy one.
Or what size, all that fun stuff.
Snapping the bolts off.
So we're gonna go through and install these. These will install with stock Can-Am roof. They will install and have instructions if you have a full windshield. They've got all kinds of different things of go here if you got this, go here if you got that. We're just installing them with the stock Can-Am roof. It's gonna be a really straightforward and easy install, but we'll walk you through it. To make this easy for you to see and for us to do, we're just gonna pull this roof off. It's absolutely simple. So pull it off and get it out of the way. At this time, go through and remove all the clamp halves in all the hardware, retaining everything because it's all gonna go back together. In the center of the intrusion bar, there's 2 bolts. They're smaller than the rest. Make sure you keep those separate. You wanna place the passenger side intrusion bar in first, as the other intrusion bar on the driver's side is going to overlap and connect. Once you get those together, put the 2 smaller bolts in that connect the center halves, then start loosely installing the clamp halves on the side, then loosely install the clamp halves on the top. Then you're going to want to tighten everything up with your desired locations and then torque to 12 foot-pounds. That's not much, so make sure you take your time on that. We made sure to get our precision instruments out here so we got exactly 12 foot-pounds on every bolt. Once everything's tightened up, it's pretty simple. All you're doing is slapping that roof back on the way it was before and putting 2 zip ties where the Velcro straps used to be to hold everything down. There is a slight bit of pressure that is applied where the upper knuckles go in how the plastic roof pushes against it, but it's not a big deal. You just move things around a little bit and everything will slide into place. Tools needed for this are very minimal. What'd you have?
7/32 and 1/4 inch Allen wrench, that's it.
Cake.
Done.
This is probably 15 minutes top to bottom. Everything inside looks like it should be here from the factory. I mean, this thing just matches up perfectly. Powder coating, finish, everything's great.
Adds strength to the original frame, adds a little bit of security.
I would be thrilled. I mean, just dead out thrilled if you could get a lot of different parts that came as securely packaged, as quality powder coating, all the threads are there. I absolutely have been overly impressed with everything that we've ordered from DragonFire.
Definitely, I agree with you 100% on that.
Amazing. You know, we've ordered a ton of things for different projects. They come smashed up. They'll come, oh, we got to repowder coat that, or oh, we got to fix this, fix that. This has been excellent, and I liked it. You know, we also have the Nerf bars on the side. You can check back. We got a video on that. Installation on this cake, love every part of it. If you guys want to do something like this, we'll put a link in the description below. Make sure you give us a like in this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for your time. Have a great day.